dealing with a house, apartment, or property that needs a complete clean-out? At Haul Guy, we know how overwhelming it can be to tackle years of clutter, junk, and unwanted items on your own. That's why our team is here to make property cleanouts fast, efficient, and stress-free, so you can focus on what's next instead of worrying about the mess. From attics and basements to garages and entire estates, we handle it all. Our crew shows up ready to sort, lift, haul, and properly dispose of everything: furniture, appliances, trash, yard debris, and more. We take the time to donate and recycle whenever possible, ensuring your cleanout is not only thorough, but also environmentally responsible. No job is too big or too small for Haul Guy. If you're in the Chattanooga area and need a reliable property cleanout service, let Haul Guy be the team you call. Whether you're a homeowner, landlord, or real estate professional, we're here to clear the space quickly and affordably. Call today to schedule your property cleanout and reclaim your space with Haul Guy.